أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
سيقولون ثلاثة رابعهم كلبهم ويقولون خمسة سادسهم كلبهم رجما بالغيب ويقولون سبعة وثامنهم كلبهم قل ربي أعلم بعدتهم ما يعلمهم إلا قليل فلا تمار فيهم إلا مراء ظاهرا ولا تستفت فيهم منهم أحدا.
They will say, 3, and their fourth being their dog. And they will say, 5, and their sixth being their dog, guessing at the unknown. And they will say, 7, and their eighth being their dog. Say, my Lord knows best their number. None knows them except a few. So do not argue concerning them except with an obvious argument, and do not consult any of them about them.
ولا تقولن لشيء إني فاعل ذلك غدا.
And never say about anything, I will do that tomorrow.
إلا أن يشاء الله واذكر ربك إذا نسيت وقل عسى أن يهديني ربي لأقرب من هذا رشدا.
Without saying, if Allah wills. And remember your Lord if you forget, and say, perhaps my Lord will guide me to nearer than this in integrity.
ولبثوا في كهفهم 300 سنين وازدادوا 9.
And they stayed in their cave for 300 years, adding 9.
قل الله أعلم بما لبثوا له غيب السماوات والأرض أبصر به وأسمع ما لهم من دونه من ولي ولا يشرك في حكمه أحدا.
Say, Allah knows best how long they stayed. His is the mystery of the heavens and the earth. By him you see and hear. They have no guardian apart from him, and he shares his sovereignty with no one.